Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul and we're in Pekanbaru and we're staying at the Motorbike Hotel. I just had the most amazing breakfast. Really good, part of the price. I think I paid about 18 US here. And we're going to go and explore Pekanbaru today, but it's a little bit wet. I'm hoping that things will clear up in the next hour or so, but I'm in no hurry. Today I'm going to have a lazy day. The last few days have been pretty hard on my soft little butt. Yeah guys, I'm going to finish my coffee, head upstairs, do a little bit of editing, and hopefully this weather will clear up. Finished editing and the weather's much better, so let's go and explore. Now I messaged my friend Levi, well, a guy I met online. He does tours around here. And he's from the Mentawai tribe, and I think that's what this Mentawai is. This is just a restaurant and a replica village. But worth coming and having a look, guys. Come and have something to eat. I will hopefully, I messaged Levi on Facebook. Hopefully he'll get back to me. Yeah, we hope we can see more of this. I'd like to get traditional tattoo, like stick and poke, native tattoo, but I don't want to do it without help because I don't want to catch some people using dirty needles and things. I want to make sure I go to the right people, so hopefully Levi will message me before I leave tomorrow. This is the Asia Heritage Garden. I am going to go in and have a look at this one, guys. It's a nice day for wandering around. Hopefully I can leave my jacket, my helmet somewhere so I don't have to carry it. It was 20 cents entry, but I'm pretty sure that 20 cents was just for the car park and I have to pay another ticket here, but I will let you know. You get a free drink. What else is here? Bit of a shop here with hats and things. I don't need a hat. Looks like that's just a storeroom. But up here is the museum, and I think you go in this level and out this level, but we'll find out. And this is the free drink you get. It's nice and cold. It's not sure what it is. It tastes a bit lemony. Yeah. Kind of lemon. No, I know what that flavour is, but I can't think. Maybe pineapple. Yes, pineapple, I think. Really quite yummy. So we're going up the stairs to the museum. I've got my little wrist strap on so I can get into all these places. Let's go and have a look. And I forgot to say the entry ticket was $3 Australian, so about $2 US. And that includes the drink. Now I get it. The $3 or the $2 US was just entry fee. It doesn't get you into the museum or anything. But that's okay, guys. You know me, I'm not too fussed on museums anyway. But let's go and have a bit of a wander. See what else I haven't bought a ticket for. And if I remember right, there was a ticket there, I think maybe $7 Australian for everything, which is maybe $4.30 US maybe, and that gets you in to see everything. But it's okay, guys. It's a nice walk around here. It's a nice cool day. I'm glad they took my jacket though. They've got a little cloakroom there, so I didn't have to carry my helmet and my jacket. And it's easy going down this hill, but lazy old me has to come back up the hill in a minute, well, in half an hour I guess, after we've had a look around at everything. And I've got these really good microphones, so I should be using them. I've been using them at helmet cam. You guys can obviously see the difference from before Christmas, before I went back home. I think walking up here it's just shops and everything, so we're not going to bother. Let's go and see what else is around this way. There's a little boat here. I think that's one of the other things you get with the ticket. A little boat trip, but it's a tiny little lake. Oh, the Forbidden Forest. What's in the Forbidden Forest? Yep, this is another one I'm not allowed to enter. I haven't bought a ticket for. That's alright, guys. At least I'm able to show you what's here, and it did only cost me $2 US. We are in the middle of the week, but it must be about 10 AM by now. There's just no one here. It's a bit sad because this really is quite beautiful. Nice relaxing walk around. is the floating market. They've got little sort of carnival games here, throwing balls at sticks and things, and another one I can't get into. There's the little boats you can get on to go around, and this is all, I think it was a $7 ticket. Got you into everything. But this is just, I just paid to look, and I did say to the girl I just wanted to look, so hopefully they'll let me go up to this mural, film that. It's really quite beautiful. Look, oh, there's heaps of stuff up there. Oh, there's a Mentawai village up the hill. And relax, girls, it's all right. Yeah, everyone's jumping up as I walk past, looking like they're busy, but they're not really busy at all. Hello. I think I might, well, once we've had a look at this mural, we might go and sit down and buy a drink. Yeah, see the Mentawai village up the hill here. Yeah, guys, this is worth, even if you pay the $4.30, whatever it is, $4.50 US ticket. And this is the little temple I was talking about with the murals. Quite beautiful. And I wonder what's inside, or is it, oh, it's just a toilet block, guys. Oh, and this goes on forever. I'm not going to wander up there because this is just a nice little walk through the garden. And I've got my riding boots on. And they're not too bad to walk in, but they're not really made for walking. Well, there's 3 girls in there. 3 times I asked for the drink I wanted. And they kept pushing the other ones to go and do it. Like, everyone thinks they're in charge of everyone else. Nobody wanted to give me my drink, so I just walked away. Another one of the things that I can't get into is the dinosaur park. All set up with, where were we the other day? Must have been in Medan, I think, where we went to the Wildlife Museum. Yeah, all up there. It's even got the Jurassic Park I can see up the hill. The Jurassic Park gates. What's next to us here, guys? This is meant to be a wheelchair ramp. Bloody steep for a wheelchair. I wouldn't want to be trusting someone to push me down there. Well, it's a relief to get that jacket off. It's so hot. And I always used to laugh at people drinking non-alcoholic beer, but I have to admit it's really quite thirst quenching. Hello. And this is the local market. It goes for miles either direction. Fish, beef, everything you could think of here for sale, except pork, of course. But yeah, this goes on forever. This way, that way, this way, and it smells amazing here, guys. It smells really good. Even going past the fish stalls back there, smells so fresh, delicious. Anyway, guys, I'm going to go and have a cold shower before I take you to the next place, because my hotel's just near here. But guys, it's so hot, especially wearing protection. Well, I jinxed myself, guys. The world supplied me with a cold shower. It is pouring, but well, I'm soaked through, guys. Everything is soaking, but I made it to where it was. This has got faces carved into trees and things, I think, but we'll find out. It was a $2 entry fee. I think I can ride around the whole place, so I'll show you as we get along. But yeah, I'm soaked, guys. That was very, very wet. Well, this was well worth coming to, guys. There's all these stone carvings all over the park. There's a couple more over here and things. I'll stop and show you different things as we're going along. But yeah, the good part is I get to ride it all. I don't have to walk. Yeah, from a distance I thought this was a Viking ship, but no. It must be a local. Guys, this park, if you were here walking, you could walk this park all day. Just amazing. Well worth the $2 Australian, so about $1.30 US entry fee. When the weather's better, you can take out boats, and this really is a big lake. In fact, there's a guy in there with a ticket thing now. I think even in this weather you can take a boat out. And that gate and steps heads up to this, looks like a god. The Mentawai people must have had a bird god, I'm imagining. Please guys, let me know in the comments if I'm wrong, but that does look like a bird to me. Hard man with a bird's head. But look, these dragons, I'm pretty sure they're carved out of the tree. Well, maybe they're added to the tree, but to me it really, oh no, they're added. Yeah, they're stone. Oh, I thought, yeah, this is all stone. I thought it was, I thought they were carved into the tree, but look at this, guys. Oh, I'm really, really glad that I battled that rainstorm and came here. And more stone carvings. And guys, I can't find out because it's way off tourist season, there's no one here to ask. But these look just like the statues from Easter Island. And I don't know if that's coincidence, whether these guys went to Chile or the Chileans came here, or if this is just copying Easter Island. But I'm pretty sure the guys at Easter Island hold on to their bellies like these guys are. It looks very much like it to me. It's the Alam Mayang Park. I'll spell that here so you can see. Just amazing, guys. Sadly, there's rubbish here, but I think they've done, that's intentional, where all the rubbish gets dumped in there and they'll fill it up later. Here are all the birds, and the rain, just after a rainstorm, was the perfect time to be here. Just incredible, guys. Really, really worth the drive out here, worth battling that rainstorm, and worth the $1.35 US. And in tourist season, this is a flying fox, guys, goes right across the lake. This place, I keep riding round and round and round. I've been here at least 35 minutes and I haven't seen all of it yet. I keep seeing things like the two guys up here guarding the entrance to that park. And again, it's off season, but this is a paintball course, so you can come here and do paintball in tourist season. It says here recreational training and competition, so I'm guessing the army must come and use this for training. Well guys, this is the An-Nur Great Mosque. It was built in 1963, and not only is it the biggest mosque in Sumatra, but it's one of the biggest in Indonesia. It can accommodate 4,500 worshippers. It's just incredible, and that doesn't include this outside bit. All these mosques that we've visited have this amazing, oh wow, this is, I saw a video of this somewhere that my friends just went to. These open up in the sun so people can worship here as well. So these big things here just open up into giant umbrellas. Where was that? I'm sure somewhere in Saudi Arabia maybe, where Nadia and Irfan from Field of Visions went. So yeah, this can be, I think more worshippers can come out here. This really, really is. I'm glad I came here, guys. Just amazing, really. Beautiful. It's got influences from all the Muslim world. And they got ideas from everyone, from Turkey, from Pakistan, from Saudi Arabia, from all over. And they put all these different ideas into this one just incredible building. I didn't show this in yesterday's video, but this is where I had dinner. Really, really good. Janet had a hamburger for lunch at work when I spoke to her, and she never eats hamburgers, and it made me feel like hamburger. It's just delicious here, guys, like really, really good. And so I'm back here, I'm going to try their pizza tonight. So 2 Western meals in 2 days. Well, that was an amazing day, guys. Really, really surprising. Pekanbaru, put it on your list for Sumatra. But I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.